What's up, everybody? Welcome to Plat Properties. My name is Yassine, and in today's episode, we are here in Kacyiru. We're about to check out this newly constructed modern apartment that is available for rent, and I'm very much excited to show you around. We are starting our tour on the exterior of this property where we have ample parking lot, nicely paved with natural stone that can accommodate up to 8 cars, and we also have this magnificent staircase with a steel railing and recessed spotlight complemented by natural stone finish and linear garden with exquisite flowers and trees. And on the facading area of this property, we have minimalistic lighter tone colors, pergola roof design, natural stone wall with wall scanters. That's it for the front yard, and let's check out the former entrance. Now we are at the entrance of this property where we have these natural stones, several flowers. We also have another natural stone here, which really set the tone for the main entrance. But before we get inside, I want to show everybody this side where we also have this washing machines like a laundry area. And let's get inside. Welcome inside the apartment where we have this incredible open plan concept. But before we continue our tour, I want to give everybody the specs of this home, where we have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it is available on a monthly rate of 2,000 US dollar or 180 US dollar per night. Now we are in this nicely designed kitchen with this island in the middle with a dual countertop with more darker tones. We also have plenty of drawers, cabinetry on this side, and also have a sitting area on the other side, chandeliers above. On this side, we have fridge and freezer, your fridge and freezer, you have your water dispenser, you have your regular coffee maker, you have your bread toaster, you have your kettle, another cabinetry on this side. Here we have your gas range with an oven, your knife holder, your microwave, your ventilation system that can take away the smelling of the cookings that you are doing. And you also have this dual sink. And plus on this side, we also have it's a dishwasher. In the middle of kitchen and living room, we have this gorgeous dining table with 4 seats. And on the other side, we have this living room, nice couches, wooden coffee table, carpet beneath, gypsum board ceiling, chandelier in the middle, all that facing TV set with its own cabinet. Now let's check out the bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom in this apartment, but before I get inside, I want to talk about the openings in this apartment. They are actually high ceiling. As you can see, I'm like 1 meter and 80 point something centimeters. So they are very long, like 3 meter plus. They are nicely cut into this. They are nicely trimmed into this ribui wood, which are actually found in Congo. And here we have the first bathroom in this apartment, which are used by this room, but are also used by the guests. Nicely designed with this frosted glass in the middle. And then let's get inside. Where we have this massive vanity, this oval-shaped sink that in the middle, drawers and cabinets below, and then we have this round LED mirror, which actually have different lightings, which is a great detail. You have your towel hold on this side. We have here your toilet, water closed. You have your bidet, and here we have your walk-in shower with a sitting area, your shampoo niche, your rain head above, and comfort chairs on it. And also has this glass panel just to prevent the water from splashing everywhere. That's it for the bathroom. Now let's check out the first bedroom on this apartment. Now we are inside the bedroom with more bright colors, king size bed in the middle with drawers on each side and light features. On the other side we have a makeup table and a closet. That's it for this room. Now let's check primary bedroom in this apartment. When you walk in, it has more walk-in closet with 2 wardrobe, a bathroom with a beautiful vanity, sink on top and LED mirror, toilet with a bidet, and a walk-in shower with a showering head above and sliding glass panel. And for the bedroom, we have king-sized bed with cabinetry on each side and bedside lamp, chandelier hanging above with a fan. And opposite the bed, we have makeup table with cabinetry and mirror. Plus, this room has private access to the front terrace. Speaking of terrace, this apartment has private terrace with a seating area facing the magnificent views of Kigali Central Business District and skyline. That's it for this property, and as always, for more information about this property, look down the description or reach to us through the contact below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, leave us a like, and then ciao ciao.